Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today we're going to be starting some, a lot of zinnias. I don't know what happened. So the last few years, my zinnias have not been great, and I was like, oh, I need more zinnia seeds this year. So every time I bought seeds, I was like, oh yeah, don't forget to buy zinnia seeds. So I have zinnia seeds that I saved myself, and then I have some zinnia seeds that I picked up at the dollar store last week, and then I have some zinnia seeds that I bought last year. Not gonna lie, I wasn't super impressed with them, but we're gonna do them again anyways. Then I have mixed coral zinnia seeds from a very old seed swap, so who knows how viable those will be. More that I saved myself. These from T&T Seeds that I just ordered. These are brand new for this season, and they are called Zahara Starlight Rose. I'm very excited. Zinnia cactus mix. These are really old seed swap. Don't know how viable these are going to be either, but there is a mix of, hi Dexter, Blue Point zinnias with Autumn Beauty. Then we have next Zinnia Carmine Rose. And then we have next Zinnia Queenie Lime. Giant Purple. I don't know if there's any seeds left in that one. That feels pretty empty. Exquisite. These are super old, but they did germinate a few of them last time, so I will be heavily seeding these. These say packed for, oh, 2020. Okay. They're not super old. I had some that were like 2008. And then I was at Canadian Tire and I was like, oh yeah, I think I need zinnia seeds. So hopefully this is the summer of the zinnia. So I'm gonna call my mom, put her on speakerphone, throw you guys on fast forward, and we're gonna get these in the ground, in the soil. And I'm gonna try and remember to actually label them properly this time. Let's see. Oh, and if I have time, I do have 3 more varieties. I want to try the dahlias. These are from Eldon Oak Farms, Celosia, and Dusty Miller. I might have to do another tray. We'll see. Alright, so here we go, a tray of a gazillion zinnias, and I did get 2 rows each also of the Dusty Miller, the dahlias, and the celosia. So yay, I got everything planted that I wanted to today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.